Trinity Insight. This is part one of the Destination Page One series, Smart Keyword Research for SEO Dominance. Thanks for tuning in today. The scope of this presentation is to outline keyword research as a business process and to help you understand the importance of keyword research within organic SEO. We hope you enjoyed this presentation, and if you have any feedback, please let us know at info@trinityinsight.com. So here's what we're going to cover during this presentation. First, we're going to discuss how keyword research defines numerous areas of your site architecture and content development strategy. Ultimately, how keyword research is the blueprint for all of your planning with SEO. We're then going to talk about where and how to begin, and what types of free tools are available to you, even right now, to conduct and use for keyword research. After that, we're going to discuss the keys to success within keyword research and outline the things that you need to pay attention to in detail when conducting this process. And lastly, we're going to discuss next steps and the follow-up action items that you need to do after you conduct your keyword research. So keyword research defines all aspects of an SEO strategy, but what does that mean exactly? Well, what it means is that the data derived from keyword research will help guide work done in four primary areas of SEO. First is site navigation and taxonomy. To maximize your chances within search engines, you want to name your site categories and file directories with the same terminology that users search for. For instance, after doing research into keyword volume trends, you can make an informed decision to name a category kitchen accessories or kitchen tools based upon the number of searches that each term receives. Next is the usage of keyword research data into defining your meta titles and meta descriptions. These two primary SEO code elements help in different ways. Title tags help more for your rankings, while meta descriptions, they impact more with click-through rates in SEO. Both should include numerous variations of the primary terms that you're going after, and both should be unique for each page. Next is needed content. The data that you derive will help you understand what prospective visitors want to learn with your website and what they want to find. Provide it to them and for them by creating fresh, unique content that corresponds to your product offerings and/or service mix. Last, but certainly not least, the data you identify will help you decipher and create the right anchor text in the links you acquire in your SEO efforts. By building better links that include your target terms within the anchor text, your link building will be better proportioned to higher value terms and ultimately help you at a greater level within natural search. You want to use this data you'd find to assess unique marketplaces and the opportunity within each of those markets. The data is going to help you understand the competitive landscape, or better put is, can I rank here? As well as understanding the consumer landscape and answering the question for you, can I sell here? By researching unique phrases and by using Google's tools to assist in varied types of words and semantics, a business can uncover untapped opportunities. The key with keyword research in e-commerce: follow your taxonomy, but think like a consumer in identifying the right terms that correlate to your product mix. So where do you start? Go straight to the source and use Google's free keyword tool. Google now provides keyword data for free. Just Google keyword tool and you'll locate it rather easily. The great thing is that the tool allows for full exporting to CSV and allows for the easy creation of massive keyword lists. By creating a spreadsheet full of targets and by utilizing the CSV exporting, you can create a repository of intelligence that should be updated once, if not twice a year. Here's an example of the Google tool for the stroller marketplace. You can see in the keyword box at the top of the tool, I've input strollers. And what the tool has provided to me is the highest stroller ranked terms that Google recommends. You can see I've used the exact match, but you also can use broad and phrase, and that's the column, the right-hand column in the middle pane. And you can see in the right-hand pane, you also can download these keywords in a text file or CSV. Also notice the approximate average search volume column within the primary reading pane. You can see strollers at 110,000, so that's telling us that for the term strollers, Google's reporting 110,000 people, unique visitors, averaged a month with that term. After getting all of your data, you then want to get intelligence in your different keyword segments and the level of difficulty to rank in the top 3. You want to review the first tier targets in the competition. Review the competition by reviewing their on-site code structure, their on-site content, and their incoming link parameters. Look to obtain links of the same quality and same anchor text, and focus on the second tier terms initially, as these are much easier wins. Use the SEO tools in the market today, and there's a plethora out there, both paid and free, to structure your link building strategy and identifying the right sites to acquire links from. You want to then map your keywords that you identified to your primary site pages, as well as changing the titles and taxonomy within your site to mirror these new terms that you've deciphered. As far as keys to success, there's a couple things you want to think about to make sure you do this process right. First, make sure that you have sufficient content on a page to target a given keyword. The page, or more likely pages, must be a resource and must provide significant value for a web user and a web query. If it doesn't, then focus on creating content on your website. Next, be sure to interlink throughout your domain with your keyword targets. You want to establish some type of publishing tool internally to allow for frequent publishing of new and targeted content on a daily or weekly basis. You want to construct a 6-month link plan that includes the link text you're going to be going after, as well as the destination URLs, as well as the efforts and budget needed. You also want to monitor trends in the marketplace with other tools, such as the one I just showed you, as well as Google search trends, to really see how the keywords that you are trying to optimize for vary with seasonality. So here are your next steps. First thing, get immersed in the Google tool. Spend 3 days doing nothing but keyword research for all of the different aspects of your business and your offering. You want to assess the data and then decide on your targets. Look at your competition. Look how they've structured their site and look at the links they've received. You want to set timelines and benchmark as it relates to on-site code changes, changing your meta description and title tags, content, publishing new content in your site, and one type of mechanism is going to publish fresh content to meet the freshness component of Google's algorithm, as well as how are you going to acquire the needed links in your sector to really get you seen as an authority. Once you start this process in motion and these steps, you'll be moving forward to getting to that first page of results for your primary keyword. Thank you for listening to Smart Keyword Research for SEO Dominance. This is Craig Smith saying goodbye. We look forward to seeing you again on another Trinity Insight educational screencast. Have a great day.